Well, I hear them. They're screaming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to limp along. But both my mouths hurt. Move, stupid. Where you at? Oh, Lord, where's the couplet? Look at that. In the nails. I tell you, they lay wherever they want to. Yes, 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 I hear y'all. Don't be mean to my bird. That's the mama. Alright, let's go get the birds up. It's almost 2 o'clock. Close enough. Everybody's here, so might as well go get them. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, limp a lot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Y'all know where to go. Yep, y'all know where to go. Well, don't stop. Come on now. Where's Limp-a-Lot? Miss Limp-a-Lot. I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. No. Where's Limp-a-Lot? Come on, Limp-a-Lot. God dang, running me over. Where'd all these birds come from? Them babies are getting huge. Oh, I hear a baby. Our baby's still out. But yeah, they're doing it on their own now. They know where to go and everything. It's a daily routine. No new update. Matter of fact, my nurse ain't even called me in 2 days. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So, yeah. Let me see. Yep, they're all here. And all of them will get out. They will get out. They fly out and they go sleep in the big brooder I got. Oh. Yeah, I'll feed you too. Got 3 of them in there. Yes, it's your time. I need to get that extension cord up. I hear a little baby over there. Dude. There's 3 of them, 4 of them already out. Oh yeah, need to fill up the water too. Looks like it. Yeah, I need to clean it out too. No, it's not that bad. The ducks ain't been swimming in it. But there y'all, you have a good day. God bless. Stay home, stay healthy. And that's it. You have a good one.